ScienceSoft is confident. AI agents are ready to take over clinical call centers. Routine patient demands can be under control with AI agents. Filtering out irrelevant information. Handling patient requests step by step. Adapting instantly when decisions change. See for yourself.
Hello, thank you for calling Westbrook Regional Clinic. This is Sage. How can I help you today?
Sorry, I have a lot. I have an appointment next week and I need to check it and change it because I'm traveling unexpectedly with my work. I'd like to keep the same doctor, Dr. Sarah Mitchell if possible. Also, I'm not sure which office it's at, Redwood City or San Mateo office, and I get stressed with parking and building entrances, so I need clear directions and where to go inside when I arrive. And please, send everything by WhatsApp. And if you can set up a reminder the day before, that would be great.
I can help you with checking and rescheduling your appointment with Dr. Sarah Mitchell and sending you directions and reminders by WhatsApp. First, I need to verify your identity. Could you please provide your full name, date of birth, and phone number?
Yes, Hannah Baker, July 8th, 1973. Phone number is 415-555-0123.
Thank you, Hannah. To confirm, your phone number is +1415 555 0123. Is that correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
Thank you for confirming, Hannah. You have an appointment with Dr. Sarah Mitchell on Tuesday at 10 a.m. at our San Mateo office. Would you like me to check available alternative times next week for you?
Yes, please let me know the available time slots.
The available appointment options with Dr. Sarah Mitchell next week are Sunday at 9:20 a.m. at the Redwood City office and Thursday at 11 a.m. at the San Mateo office. Which one would you prefer?
Sunday is good.
Please confirm that you want to reschedule your appointment to Sunday at 9:20 a.m. at the Redwood City office. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
That's been updated. I've sent you a
Oh, yes,
WhatsApp
sorry,
message with
wait.
directions.
I just realized that I have a family commitment on Sunday. I cannot make the appointment. Can we choose the other slot, please?
No problem. I will switch your appointment to Thursday at 11 a.m. at the San Mateo office. Is that okay?
Yes, I would like to reschedule to that date instead.
That's been updated to Thursday at 11 a.m. at the San Mateo office. I've sent you a new WhatsApp message with directions and parking information for that location. Please remember to bring a government-issued ID and your insurance card and plan to arrive 15 minutes early for registration. Does everything look correct? And is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all, and everything looks correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for calling Westbrook Regional Clinic. Have a wonderful day.
ScienceSoft. Project success no matter what.